Hello. Today we will learn about 4 simplest method to add serial numbers. Method 1 is Method 2. Method 3. Method 4. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.